It's the middle of fall in my Zone 7 garden and it's time to plant garlic. Soil temperatures have dropped below 50 degrees consistently. This is the time to get your garlic in the ground. Planting garlic now will let it settle in before the harsh winter, and in spring it'll start to throw up its green shoots and produce nice big bulbs. Your first step is to clear the area where you're planting your garlic. Garlic loves loose, well-draining soil. So you want to till that soil about 6 to 8 inches deep to really loosen it up. You want to make sure that the roots have plenty of space to form, and you want to make sure that your bulbs have enough room on all sides so that they can produce big bulbs. I'm going to be adding some compost and worm castings. This helps to improve the soil texture, it adds essential nutrients, and it also boosts beneficial microbial activity. I'm also going to be adding a little bit of bone meal, and bone meal will help with root development. Now that the soil is mixed really well and leveled out, it's time to separate your garlic bulbs into cloves. Each individual clove will grow into a full garlic bulb. I ordered 4 varieties of garlic. I have one soft neck variety called California Early, and then 3 hard neck varieties, Spanish Roja, Italian Red, and Thai Fire. When you've ordered your garlic, it will be delivered as a whole bulb, and they need to be separated so that you can plant your individual cloves. Ordering garlic from a reputable seed company is always the best approach. The garlic is guaranteed to be disease-free. It also tends to produce much larger garlic bulbs and garlic cloves, and you also have a wider variety to choose from, as opposed to a supermarket, which really only has like 1, maybe 2 varieties, and you never really know what you're getting, where it's come from, and typically those would result in a much smaller bulb. When planting your garlic cloves, the flat side is where the roots grow out of, so that's going to be planted down, and the pointy side where the shoots come out of will be planted up. The general guidance for planting is to plant 2 to 4 inches deep. I go with 4 inches because when the ground freezes and thaws, and that process can occur many times over winter as temperatures fluctuate, the garlic can be pushed out of the ground. So I like to plant it a little deeper. I go 4 inches deep, and I also go 6 inches wide from each garlic clove. And that ensures they have enough space in all directions to form a nice big bulb. When you're separating your garlic cloves, if the paper came off, it's still safe to plant them. What I wouldn't plant is anything that's damaged or appears rotted. I would toss those. And if you have any really small garlic cloves, your choice to plant or not. I don't plant them because I'm looking for the biggest garlic bulbs possible. Water your garlic in well. This will help them to establish and start rooting in the soil. Give them about 1 inch of water per week until the ground freezes, and then you can stop watering them and then resume again in the spring. Garlic will be ready to harvest in early to mid-summer, depending on your region. Top your garlic with a layer of mulch. I'm using straw, but you can also use leaf mulch. If you're using leaves, I would suggest shredding them first, although straw is a better insulator. The straw is going to help with that freeze-thaw cycle I explained, and it also helps to control the moisture in the soil. With that said, leaves are an excellent addition in your garden. They do act as a great mulch. They help to improve soil structure and increase the organic matter in the soil. So if you do have leaves in your yard, I would suggest adding them to your compost bin or bagging them up now and saving them for the spring. I hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more garden tips and for my upcoming November garden guide, where I'm going to show you my soil testing results and how to plant tulip bulbs.